What's up guys? So back here with another video. So today we are going to be installing DRLs for the F80. The ones I bought are yellow ones, so the OEM are this whitish one, and I do think that this looks really good, but just to kind of change it up a little bit, I wanted to get a yellow one, and just maybe it looks a little bit more aggressive, but we'll see. So it should be a very simple install. There's two versions that you can really get. One of them is you get these LED panels, and you would have to kind of remove the OEM one from here and kind of glue on the yellow ones. But with this, it's a whole replacement, so that way, if you want to replace them again or swap them back out, you can easily do that because it's only just 3 bolts. So instead of removing the OEM panels, you can just swap them back and forth. So that's what I did. These are very inexpensive. I bought them on eBay for like maybe $100. So we'll go ahead and install it. So super simple. You just need a T20 Torx bit, and it's just 3 bolts. So this is the OEM one, and like I said, this kit that I got is just a direct replacement, so you don't have to change any panel, which is good. So I can just if I install this today and a month later I don't like it, the best thing is that I can just take the OEM ones and put them back in, and I don't have to remove any LED panels or any boards, and I could just swap them easily. Plug it in. Oh, yeah. All right, so after you remove the 3 Torx bits, all you have to do is remove 2 clips, one on each corner of the panels, and it should come right out. Yep, so you can just pretty much easily remove the clips, and it should look like this. And then just reinstall the aftermarket one. Just, again, two of these clips, and then the 3 Torx bits. So here is the aftermarket one. Just plug the clips back in for the power. All right guys, so now it's in, so pretty much it should work. So if I unlock the car, oh snap. All right, let me wait till the headlights kind of go away. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's actually more yellow.
I don't care what you say. That looks hot.
Yeah,
it looks very OEM.
It does actually.
Like it's not like a gaudy yellow or anything.
So now it's on. It's actually a lot more yellow in person than the camera. So hopefully when I edit it and color grade it, hopefully it looks, I can try to get it to be more what it looks like in person. But honestly, I am not mad about this. And then let me go to this side. So this is what it looks like before and after, I guess. I think it looks really aggressive actually. But I don't know how long I'm actually going to keep this. George thinks that it will take me a month before this settles, and I'll decide to keep it forever. But I don't know. But I guess the good thing is that I can just remove this and swap back whenever I want to. So that looks good though. Actually, I'm not gonna lie.
I think that was cool. Like especially since you got the lap to lip.
Yeah.
I feel like it gives it more of an more aggressive look in the front.
Yeah, I think it will look better when we're kind of outside and not in this cramped space right now.
Yeah, you can get a better look.
All right, guys, so we're gonna install the other one, and then we'll take it out and kind of get a better look outside later. All right, it's pretty darn aggressive. I'm not gonna lie. I think the yellow does a good job breaking up just like the whole plain white color look of the M3. Like, cause I have a lot of like that panda look going, but yellow definitely, breaks it up a lot better. Damn, that shot is pretty cool. I think George and I, we're gonna go out and find like an empty parking lot or something, and we can get some better videos from further back, see how it looks like. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. I think it looks actually really aggressive. I think it looks more aggressive than I anticipated, to be honest. Actually, when the car's on, I didn't realize this, but the DRLs are definitely much brighter. But I think like I said, the yellow really adds that needed color, to be honest. It looks so aggressive from this angle. Yeah, I think I might actually keep these for now, but I think this looks so good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.